Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video we're going to be assembling and talking a little bit about the TECNI Micro Trellis System. To assemble the trellis system, the 3 eye screws will be screwed into the wooden panel that you are intending to use. One of these will stay in the middle to support the system, while the other 2 will have the springs and clips attached. The springs are placed onto the screw by pushing them through the gap. The cable is then pushed through the clip and looped through the other end of the spring before re-entering the clip. This is done on both sides of the trellis. The clips can be tightened with a spanner, ratchet, or pliers and can be adjusted to hold any level of tension on the cable that you see fit. If you would like more information or to purchase a micro trellis system, then please visit the TECNI website at www.tecni.uk. Thank you for watching.